Hello, guys.
Here's my little brother from Afghanistan. He arrived recently.
You also from Afghanistan. Don't forget it.
No, I'm not. I sold my country a long time. Vatan Ferosh number.
Vatan Ferosh.
No, I'm not. Technically, I'm not. I am. I love my country.
Okay.
Anyway, so we have a really fun video here. Guess what? I am on the process of spoiling this younger brother.
Yes, she is.
Guess what I got for him? Are you gonna say thank you first?
Those people can see this video can take guess. Khatra what bought for me.
Oh,
Expensive things.
I'm a broken student, but when it comes to love, what can we do, right?
Yeah.
So here's the fun part began.
Yes, Khatra bought for me iPhone 14 Pro Max, 264, I think, gig memories. Yeah.
It's not 64, it's 236.
Yeah, I think 260.
200, yeah.
Yeah. Gig memories, and I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, and let's create opening.
Yeah, do you want to unbox it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Go ahead.
Just last day we opened it for screen protector, and just we take it that.
Okay. Yeah, so we opened it because we want to put on a screen protector.
Yeah.
But we wanted to really record this unboxing vlog video for Mansoor so he will remember for the rest of his life that I got him an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, there we go.
Yeah. At first, which one?
Let's go with the iPhone first. How about that?
Da-da-da. At first, myself should sing. Wow. No. No. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful.
Yeah?
I think it is purple.
Yeah, it's purple color, yeah. Do you like purple?
Yes.
Okay, we like this.
Yeah. And I should be careful.
you should be careful, yeah?
Yeah. It is the new brand iPhone 14 Pro Max, and in this box just it have
all the information.
Yeah.
Oh, it also have this
SIM card.
Yeah.
And one of
charger.
Yes.
It doesn't have a block, so.
Just this all $2,200.
What does that mean?
Just this box, this metal, we bought $2,200.
Well, you're not supposed to share the price, okay? Okay, let's open this.
Yeah. At first it should turn on.
You want to turn it on? Okay, you can turn it on.
Yeah. Oh.
There we go. Have you ever thought you were going to have an iPhone 14 Pro Max?
No. It is my...
Okay. Yay.
It turned on.
So you have to set it up. That's okay. We can do that later. How about start here? Hey, I'm so bossy here too. Yay. That's the... Yeah, green. Dark green, I guess.
Green.
It is green.
It is... Yeah, dark green. I think it was another color.
Really? No, it was dark.
Is this for the whole family, yeah?
What, the iPhone?
This is the iPhone 14.
Here's Carrie. Hello, Carrie.
Damn.
Hi.
Okay,
Yes.
so we're gonna probably record another video to do a review, iPhone 14 Pro Max review. But until then, brother, do you have any last saying?
No, just thank you, dear sister. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, let's do this, okay? So this is... You can record.
Here we are.
Well, hamburger, French fries. Stall November.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.